Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will get acquainted with the BYT software, its tools and features. So we have this menu bar with 9 different menus as you can see here. The first one is file menu. This menu is used to select the file related options like creating a new project, saving it and opening a existing project. Next, we have the edit menu. This menu is used to perform the basic editing functions like cut, copy, paste, delete. With that, you also have an undo and a redo option. Next, we have the insert menu. This menu has few functions related to ladder diagram of PLC. Fill line will complete the rung, you can see. Add row will add a new row above the one where the cursor block is placed, and delete row will delete the row where the cursor block is placed. So if I place my cursor block here and if I select the delete row, the row will be deleted. After that, we move to comments. Using this menu functions, you can add comments to element, rung or segment. Next is search. This menu has functions of finding and zoom in. You can zoom in or zoom out. For searching any element, you can click on find button. After that, you can find an instruction, element, comment or even replace any one of them. After that, we move to communication. This menu has functions related to ladder diagrams. The first one is compile. Now compile is used to compile the graphical ladder designs. Play and pause buttons are used during the real-time simulation, while write to PLC and load on startup option need to be set before simulation. The next is online mode and ladder monitoring mode. These modes are two different modes used for monitoring. IL compile load option is used to compile instruction-based ladder designs. After that, we have machine. This menu has functions like Modbus and TCP. TCP is most commonly used in industrial protocol to exchange the data between PLCs and the computers. Modbus is another protocol for the same task. For simulation purpose, we will use TCP. Now next is window. This menu contains functions like ladder diagram mode, instruction list mode, diagnosis status, setting and instruction commands. The first one is ladder diagram mode. The default window is of ladder diagram mode, which you can see here. The next is instruction list mode. It contains the details of ladder logic in the textual format of instructions, as you can see here. After that, we move on to diagnosis status. Diagnosis status is used to check the status of the system. So using this, you can check the status. After that, we have setting. Setting window allows you to change the basic setting of PLC like grid size. You can change the color settings and even the machine related settings. After that, we move to help. This menu has the basic help options. Now the about contains the version and the other details related to the software. After that, we have instruction help. This contains the information related to instructions which can be used. So there are basic instructions as you can see here, and after that we have the application instruction. If you click on any of this instruction, you will see the instruction. After that you can see the operand and you can see the explanations as to how to use this instruction in case of instruction logic design. The toolbar contains few of the options from the menu bar itself. You can see there is a save project option. You can open a project, you can undo, you can redo and so on. Only the first two tools are different. Now the first one is the connect machine. This button needs to be selected when you have to connect PLC machine to the PC. If you only want to simulate your project in the PC standalone, you need to click on simulator button first and then click on connect machine button. We will check the below elements which you can see here and the ladder logic diagram on BYT software in the next tutorial. Thank you.